Good afternoon, I'm here at the Syracuse Supply Open House in Buffalo, New York. Thanks for coming down to see us. My name's Todd Bywalski. I work for Muratec Machinery USA, and today we're showcasing our MW120 Type 2 Muratec twin spindle turning machine. The machine comes with the FANUC 31i control. We've got two front face loading, gantry loaded spindles to do op 10, op 20 work. 8 station turrets, 15 horsepower machine. So basically the gantry is a carbon fiber gantry. It's a 3-axis gantry with a swivel head. So this machine is great for slugs, for forging, for casting. And what we're doing is showing you on a medium or high volume level how we can get parts through this system. Right now, we're loading from the right side of the spindle, and we're coming over. We're doing op 10 on the front side, we're turning the part around, and we're doing op 20 on the second side, and out the door it goes for a finished part. So listen, if you need any questions answered or you need more information on our product, get a hold of your favorite Syracuse Supply sales engineer and let us help you find out how we can put more profits in your pocket.